In this tutorial, you will learn the password options of FileZilla Pro command line. Launch FileZilla Pro CLI. By default, all passwords that you enter in the Site Manager are saved in clear text. It's recommended to use a master password to store the passwords encrypted, though. To encrypt passwords, use the Set Engine Password Store command with the Protected option. You will be prompted to enter a master password. Repeat it to confirm. Now all passwords are encrypted with the master password. When connecting, you will be asked to provide the master password. To provide the master password in scripts, use the command secret. If you want to modify the master password, use the protected option. Enter the new master password and repeat it to confirm. You will be prompted to enter the old master password. If you have forgotten the old master password, you won't be able to decrypt the passwords. The only option is to delete them. Enter delete to delete all passwords. In this case, you will need to re-enter all the passwords previously stored in Site Manager. The master password has been changed. If you want to go back to the default behavior, passwords stored in clear text, use the plain option. Note that if you are changing your configuration from encrypted passwords to clear text passwords, you have to enter the master password. If you don't want to store passwords, use the disabled option. With this option, all stored passwords are removed and you will need to enter them when connecting. FileZilla CLI is fast and reliable. Plus, it supports a variety of other cloud protocols: Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, Amazon EC2, Backblaze B2, WebDAV, and SharePoint.